AC Guy 1948 here. We're going to find out what's in the shed today. Alright. It's the mall saw. That's going to be the next project for the channel. This one, I did a video on it earlier. You might have seen that. But it's in pretty good shape. The handles need some work. I might be able to hunt down a set of chainsaw. This is a two-man chainsaw engine from Mall. Let's see if that focuses on there. But yeah, I'm gonna take all this down to this is steel. That's aluminum. That's aluminum. These parts are steel. The wheels are aluminum. Up here, I'm going to have to get a magnet and check, but I'm pretty sure that's all aluminum up here, this front head piece. Because I talked to a guy, and from what he said, these were kind of known for breaking the aluminum. Well, there aren't many of them left from how few were built in the first place, because the aluminum breaks really easily. The saw blade's going to definitely come off of it, so I got to figure out how to do that. There should be a big nut on the bottom if I have something large enough. Do that without hurting everything. If I have something large enough to... I don't think I have anything that big. Oh, that might prove to be difficult. Okay. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to get that off. It is loose. So, I guess the first thing to do will be we'll get the wire wheel out and we'll see how this cleans up the shafts. Okay, we're going to do this section here. Going to be using a Milwaukee grinder with a wire wheel on it. I always wear a face mask. This is a 3M face mask with respirator and hearing protection while I'm using this thing. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get that set up and we'll get started. Okay, let's go. Okay, well, I got off as much as I could on the metal. This here is aluminum, and down in there is aluminum, because it's got very fine scratches from that wire wheel. I was being very light with it. This back here is aluminum. The only other steel parts are really here, and they're the two leg parts that come off onto the wheels. So, next. Alright. So I cleaned up what I could with the wire wheel. This is steel. I hit this with it. It's aluminum. All that down there is aluminum. These are steel. We have to get that side. My plan is to take the engine off, and this here's aluminum, but take the engine off, take the wheels off, flip this whole thing upside down so I can get the other side of the pipe. I kind of want to take that off and see what's how the gear looks in there. I'm going to take this control rod off. It should hold like a pin so you can turn this on the side. So yeah, next project's going to be do a cold start on that pressure washer there. It hasn't run since, it hasn't run all winter really. It's been a while. So we're going to see if that thing will fire up and clean all this green moss and stuff off of it. Okay, now I'll let you know I did charge the battery in this not too long ago, so it should still have a charge. I'm going to purge the air out of the line. There we go. This here is a turbo nozzle. I bought this for like $20 at Walmart. What it is, it's a 0-degree nozzle that spins, and it does some pretty good work. Alright, we're just going to give her some choke. Gas is on. I put some gas in it. We're going to see if the starter wants to work. Well, maybe the other way's choke. There she goes. Sitting all winter, fired up. All that green there. The camera's probably going to get water on it. Definitely a lot better, isn't it? Oh, well, you got water droplets. I don't want to touch the lens on this. All right, I'm going to get the rest of that. I'm going to get the rest of that off camera. Get back with you. Well, that's how it looks all done. Definitely a lot better. Not perfect, but a lot better. I still got to do some cleaning up. Yeah, it was red on the wheels, so I'm going to have to repaint it red there. My big question is, all of this, should I polish it or should I just paint it silver? I think that'd be a lot of work to polish all the aluminum. I think maybe I'll paint it silver, but we'll see what happens. If I upload this, leave a comment below. Should it be polished or should it be silver? Alright, that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.